Okay, so at the beginning of the semester, I said to you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about expectations with you. Because when you start a relationship, us being together for 15 weeks, okay, you got to talk about expectations. How do you want to be treated? What do I expect of you? And on and on. Well, at the end of a relationship, if it's, we're ending a relationship, we have to, but if you are ever in a relationship and you have to end it, you need to get what's called closure. Okay? And sometimes to get over a relationship that was really great and wonderful, but it kind of didn't work out or it just ended, sometimes you need to talk about what the good was. If you ever lose somebody in your life through death, let's say, sometimes you can remember them and get through, okay, the bereavement process by saying things like, remember when? Okay? Remember when. So, summary of key points during the semester. Remember when we... Chapter 1. Okay? Wondered. Remember the first thing we did? I asked you what you wondered about. Met the people sitting next to you. Hopefully you still talk to them. Okay? Introduced biopsychosocial. Okay? Chapter 2, neurochemicals, brain organization, hormones. Okay? Chapter 3, we talked about, okay, are you sensual? And we did that. Remember I did this? Come on back. Still with me? Okay? We all perceive the world, what, differently? We talked about that. We talked about illusions. Remember when you saw pictures up there and stuff that were there? We talked about ESP. Chapter 5, we did all of these. Chapter 6, we did this. Bad relationships, remember that one? Conditioned bad relations. 7, we talked about this. Chapter 9, we talked about this. Chapter 10, what type of fruit are you, really? Huh? We did this. Remember we did the relaxation response? And one of the things I said to you was, relax. See it. Feel it. Believe it. Now it sounds ridiculous, but while we were doing it, the timing was there. And we did this. All right, now we're getting into the last couple of weeks. We did all that. We did this. All right? We did that.